So I'm just going to show you the last day of the home peel. A lot of my flakiness have actually gone. I think it was when I was sleeping, I've just kind of rubbed it off. But I'm actually going to steam the face today and use coconut oil to remove the dead skin cells. As you see, there's a bit of pigmentation there. And I'm going to get rid of some of those blind pimples, and you see that really dead skin cells. You see it's still cracking. So I come to show you my new skin. So now the steam is just working. So I'm gonna give a good 30 centimeters away from my skin, not too close because it's quite hot. I'm just gonna lie down for a good 5 minutes using the coconut oil and rubbing it onto my skin. Grabbing the coconut oil, just gonna gently heat that up and apply that on my skin. So you're gonna rub your face, move it down so you can see me a bit better. Coconut oil is just melting right onto my skin. The most attractive thing to do. Okay. Just gonna give me new skin. My smooth skin, I've even skin tone. I'll be so happy. As we do the video. This out. So that's skin, that's the old skin there, and that's the new skin underneath. So I'm just going to slowly make sure that comes off slowly, not force it to come off, but you see underneath it's a bit red, it's the new skin there. It doesn't hurt or anything.